Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to check the interest rate on your Capital One Savor card. If you're a cardholder or thinking about getting one, knowing your annual percentage rate, APR, is key to managing your finances smartly. Let's dive right in. First things first, what's Capital One Savor? It's a popular cashback credit card that rewards you on everyday spending like dining, groceries, and entertainment. But like any credit card, it comes with an APR, which is the annual interest rate charged on balances you don't pay off in full each month. Checking this rate helps you avoid surprises and plan your payments better. To get started, you'll need to log into your Capital One account. You can do this via the official Capital One website on your computer or through their user-friendly mobile app on your phone. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Dashboard section. Here, you'll see a list of your cards, including the Savor card. Click or tap on it to open the Details page. Look for sections labeled Interest Rate, APR, or Rates and Fees. This is where you'll find the current rate displayed clearly. If you're using the mobile app, it's even simpler. Just select your Savor card from the home screen and swipe to the Summary or Details tab. The APR should pop up right there. Keep in mind that your APR might vary based on factors like your credit score, promotional offers, or market changes, so check it regularly. One more tip. If you can't find the information or have questions, reach out to Capital One's customer support. They're usually quick to help. There you have it, folks. Checking your Capital One Savor interest rate is straightforward and empowers you to stay on top of your finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other finance questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.